Hey, Tom Casey here today talking to you about your inverter system and how it's going to work a little differently than your old system. The goal of the inverter is to run for a longer periods of time, sometimes during the coldest weather of winter and the hottest weather of summer. It could seem like it runs constantly because it might. The idea is that the inverter can go from 100% capacity all the way down to 30 or even 25% in some models of capacity. So by running longer at slower speeds, it uses less energy and it makes the temperature in the home super even versus what you're used to from your old system, which is on, off, on, off, on, off, which could feel a little draftier, could feel a little bit more where you have hot and cold spots throughout the day. And it also spikes your energy bill up and up and up. So it's normal for your inverter to run for a longer period of time. That doesn't mean it's using more energy. That doesn't mean it's not working. It means it's running smoother. An inverter is kind of like cruise control in your car. You set it and you forget it and you let it do its job. It's going to automatically maximize performance to maintain the speed, in this case, the temperature inside of your house, at the optimal fuel mileage or efficiency in the case of your heating and cooling system. So don't worry, it's operating differently, but it's not operating wrong. Your inverter is it's designed to run more continuously, especially on design days when it's really hot out in the summer or really cold out in the winter. Boom.